Hi, I'm Nana. Today I'm making curry tempeh. First, you can cut. Can you cut half again? And turn on for the gas. Just put a little bit oil, maybe 1.5 spoon. If you don't like with oil, just a little bit oil. And you can put ingredient, coriander seed first, and cumin, and chili powder. If you like the fresh one, you can just chop, put together. And turmeric powder. If you like the fresh one, you can chop or you can blend, put together. And herb. Better is good one. Cutting and squeeze because frozen. One. And lemongrass and galangal and kaffir lime. And now put the tempeh first. And potato. And now you can put the coconut cream. You can put the water, mix together. Until maybe waiting maybe 2 minutes or 1 minute. You can put carrot. If you like another veggies, you can put together. Example for the kale or silver beet. Waiting again. And now mushroom until boil. Curry already done, and you can try at home. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the food. Bye.